सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 182, verse 50. Vedadhyaya svadha swaha balyanyadhyayathodayam devarshi pitrubhutani madrupanyanvaham bhajajet madrupanyanvaham bhajajet. Lord Krishna enumerating the duties of every grihastha after entering grihastha ashrama, the compulsory duties to be practiced for chitta shuddhi, for jnana yogyata prapti. They are called pancha maha yajnas, 5 rituals like worship: deva yajnam, pitru yajnam, rishi yajnam, manushya yajnam and bhuta yajnam. All these 5 removes that papam, that which we have acquired in previous janmas. Therefore, in one sloka, Lord Krishna gives all the Panchamaha Yajnas their names, and he says Anvaham Yajayed. Anvaham means Pratidinam. Every day one has to practice all these 5 Panchamaha Yajnas. Without fail, one has to do. What is that one? Vedadhyaya. Vedadhyaya. Vedadhyaya comes under Rishi Yajnam. One has to study one's own Veda Shakha, or at least one has to do Sukta Parayanam, Rudra Parayanam, or at least Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama, or at least some stotrams, even Bhagavad Gita Parayanam. Whole Ramayana Parayanam was compulsory in every house. Every day few pages they read. Till today there are some houses they read Ramayana Parayanam, Bhagavata Parayanam. They are all regular routine in Orthodox families. Orthodox families. So the regular Parayanam is one of the duty. Then only they give food. They do between 9 and 10 after doing Deva Puja, Vedadhyena Parayanam, all this they have to do. Vedadhyaya. Swadha. Swadha is a Pitru Karma. Offering Pinda Tarpanas to ancestors, those who have passed away, or giving food to one's own parents, grandparents, taking care of old people in the family. It bless all the way, generations and generations. Taking care of the elders. Swadha. Swaha is Deva Yajna. It comes under Deva Puja also, Yajna, Yaga, Homa, etc. Swaha. Where we use that offerings, because for Bhagavan we do offering. This what you call ghee, etc. in Homa, they do Swaha, Swaha, Swaha. Even while doing Bhojanam also, people chant Pranaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha, Udanaya Swaha, Samanaya Swaha. All Pancha Pranas they feed, that is called Prana Agnihotram. Every day eating food is also a type of Agnihotram. It is also comes under Deva Yajna only, Deva Puja only. That is why we don't understand what is this word, secular word. Big problematic, na? Which is not gel with our mindset. For us, everything is sacred. Everything is Bhagavan. Every action is a worship to Bhagavan. So why you introduce unnecessarily secular? When we have that attitude, looking at everything, every action in this world as Bhagavan. That Bhagavan himself says, Madrupani iti, second line he says, all are my forms only. Pitrus, Devas and Rishis, all animals. Bali means Bhuta Yajnam, offering food to crow, squirrel, all birds. Yesterday you might have heard that news, all birds to be taken care of which they are traveling. Today's newspaper, I saw that flamingos, they come from Kutch, Gujarat. In the month of December to this Rameshwaram, Dhanushkodi, they have come. Hundreds of flamingos, hundreds of them. They stay up to March here. After March, they go back to that place. How great they are. They travel. This is called in Telugu, they call it as Valasa. Valasa means from one place to another place they go for their survival, food. Even human beings also travel like that only. They go and do some time there and work and they come back to their place. The artisans and all these silpis, all they go to that place and do their job and come back. Similarly, birds they do, animals also they do that. Valasa, traveling to other place and staying some time. And huge birds, they are not small like sparrow. There are very huge birds. They have to be protected throughout the world to maintain the global harmony. To avoid this global warming also, we have to take care of them, it seems. It's a big project they have started yesterday in Gujarat. Karuna Club they call. Adella club and where vechada vela pannuva makkal. Karuna Club and animal husbandry, taking care of animals, birds, all of them. Even these beehives, they maintain the harmony of the cosmos. Beehives, bees, and that vand, big vand Brahmaram. In its butterfly wings movement maintains the harmony of the cosmos. We do not know all these things. If you study zoology, all botany and all, you come to know. These are all said in our Shastra already. Now they are talking newly. Taking care of Panchabhutas, taking care of all that other beings comes under Bali here, Bhuta Yajna. Every day offer some food to animals. That's why when you put kolam with arisimav, rice flour, all ants and cockroach will come and eat. It is food for them. You have to take care of them. All around birds should be there to wake up you early morning. They wake up, they don't sleep like us. But you don't find in other countries, because of their flights problem, I do not know, they never allow the birds to move outside. That's why they keep birds, all of them in the bird sanctuary there, and all birds are inside only. They cannot go outside. You don't find in America like kaka, all these are crying, shouting there. You don't find there. Very rarely in some areas only you can see birds in America, because they don't allow birds to move outside. They don't allow dogs to move outside. They give sedation and they keep inside. They should not bark. Namak veedi veediki barking dogs are there. Still we sleep, but they don't allow any dog to move outside because they are going in 120 speed. All dogs comes on outside, problem for them. For us, no problem. Buffalo comes, cow comes, dog comes. நம்ம வெயிட் பண்ணி மெல்லுவாக போவோம். என்ன பூத யஜ்ஞம். So we don't want to hurt them. வீதிக்கு ஒரு 4-5 ஸ்ட்ரீட் டாக்ஸ் இருக்கும் எல்லா இடத்துல. அதனால் நம்ம நாடே தனி, அது ஒரு தனி பிளேஸ்ன்னு நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன். ஸோ I saw there in that what you can call veterinary. That means cows where they keep, they also they make noise. I saw many cows, so they never shout. Even squirrel also. அது என்னமோ தெரியாது, இங்கே கீச்சு கீச்சு கீச்சுன்னு கத்தும், அங்கே கத்தவே கத்தாது, குழந்தையும் கத்தாது. They should not cry, they should not shout. அது என்ன தெரியல, நமக்கு எல்லாம் கத்தினா தான் நமக்கு தூக்கமே வரும். So we allow the birds, we allow the children, we allow the dogs to be free as they are. No? So we avoid our own comfort. We see others' comfort also. In materialistic world, people who are all having human beings who consumerists, they want to see their own happiness. But we want to see the happiness of other beings also. That's why we want to take aquatic creatures in the ocean. We want to take care of them because of many aquatic creatures are dying because factories, all chemicals they are dumping in the ocean. Many animals, aquatic creatures, reptiles are dying in that ocean, sea. Because of that also global warming is coming, they are telling now. Now people are doing research why global warming is coming. Nama rishis already found out that you be always with nature as a friendly person. Never try to condemn the nature or destroy the nature or other beings. You will be in threat. You the human being, don't think you are so great. You are surviving because of other plant kingdom, animal kingdom, aquatic kingdom, and so many other things you are surviving, my dear. All our rishis said those days itself, ancient time itself. It is newly they are doing research now. Again they have to come back to our own good old Vedic culture. Understand? All our systems are in keeping with the nature. Then only you can live happily, peacefully. Now air pollution, water pollution, what pollution is not there? Mind pollution. Mind pollution leads to water pollution, air pollution, any pollution because of one mind pollution. Materialism is called mind pollution. What do you mean by mind pollution? Huh? How much pollution you see in Delhi now, in Bangalore, Calcutta and Chennai, lot of pollution because of mind pollution. Mind pollution is that materialism. At the cost of the nature, you are trying to. Kedarnath, that floods happened because of what reason? Many of you know that. That is a human error, human mistake. Only because of that it has come. Every tsunami, every problem is because of that only. Therefore, we have to recognize as early as possible. We come back to our Panchamaha Yajnas to protect the nature. Okay? Therefore, Bali, Annadhyaihi means Annadanam. One has to do Annadanam means Athidhi Yajna or Manushya Yajna. Helping to other human beings. Helping to other human beings is called Annadhyaihi. Yathodayam means as your Shakti. How much Shakti you have, according to your capacity, you can do all these 5 yajnas. Again, he enumerated Deva Yajnam, Rishi Yajnam, with names he is giving. How to do in the first line. And the names of that yajnas he gives. Deva means Deva Yajnam. Deva Yajnam is called Swadha. Then Pitru Yajnam is called Swaha. Dwara Pitru Yajnam. Then Bhutani is Bhuta Yajnam. Madrupani Anvaham. You supply Manusha Yajnam also included. They are all my rupams, forms only, O Uddhava. Madrupani, they are not different from me. So when you are doing Panchamaha Yajnas to Pitrus, Devas and Rishis, Rishi Yajnam, Vedadhyanam is Rishi Yajnam. So Rishis, all of them, animals, birds, human beings, all of them are, who are they? I am only in those forms. Considering that you do Yajnam. Don't think I am doing some, giving food daily croak, I am giving food to Swami. I am giving food to Bhagavan who is in the form of crow. I am giving food to squirrel who is in the form of squirrel. Bhagavan only is in that form. Even you give milk to that snake, the Naga Chaturthi time, that is Bhagavan, Naga Devata. Vriksha Devata, I pour water every day to Tulasi and Tulasi Pradakshanam. And Deeparadhana at Tulasi, in front of Tulasi. Vriksha Devata, Bhagavan is in the form of Tulasi. Every action is worship because everything is Bhagavan. Who says? Bhagavan says. Which Bhagavan? Krishna Bhagavan. Sakshat Narayana, who has come for the sake of Dharma Rakshanam, Paritranaya Sadhunam, Vinashaya cha Dushkritam, Dharma Samsthapanarthaya. Therefore, Madrupani iti Anvaham yajet. Anvaham, every day, Pratidinam. Anvaham yajet. Up to here we saw in the last class. See, Madrupani, when Bhagavan says, I am in that form, people normally they don't believe. They don't believe. We are all rational thinking people. We don't believe Isha-vasyamidam sarvam. The first Upanishad, Isha-vasyamidam sarvam. Everything is Bhagavan. Nothing is separate from Bhagavan. That you can understand when you come to their class and study. People are having belief, faith, and they see everything as Bhagavan, fine. But modern days, educated, the children and all, if you say Isha Vasyamidam, they don't have belief. Therefore, you have to educate them. How you educate? Like olden days, my father said, my tata said, therefore Bhagavan is everywhere, I believe now. But you cannot expect that same thing from your children, grandchildren. How can Bhagavan be everywhere? If Bhagavan is everywhere, why so many atrocities, so many problems? They question. What answer you can give? For that you have to understand clearly. Madrupani, just a word Bhagavan used. It is our job, go back to Upanishad. Sadrupena, Chidrupena, Bhagavan original nature is existence, consciousness principle. He alone, that Brahman, Nirgunam Brahman, manifest in the Nama, Rupa, Karma. That is the idea you have to entertain in your mind. Satyacha bhavati, niruktamcha, niruktamcha, nilayanancha, nilayanancha, satyancha, nrutancha, satyam abhavat, murta, amurta rupena. That Sat and Chit is manifesting in every Nama, Rupa. This is the knowledge given by our Upanishads to us. Then we can accept, yes, Bhagavan is everywhere. Intelligent cause, material cause. This much background is there behind that Madrupani. Just like that, you cannot make a statement and believe in it. Everyone has their own freedom. Why I have to believe? I have to convince. Logically, and scripturally, Shruti, Yukti, Anubhava Dwara, I have to explain, then only they will accept. It is just like teaching a person how to fish rather than giving 5 rupees, 10 rupees for that day to survive. How long you can give? Make them to fish, how to fish, how to get fish. So they will stand on their own. Like that here also, you cannot say just like that you believe, otherwise kannu poidum Bhagavan காரப்பொடி அந்த பொடி போடுவார் கண்ணில். இதெல்லாம் ஒர்க் ஆகாது அந்த காலத்தில். இந்த காலம் எல்லாம் நடக்காது. You have to say God exists, God created the world, God became the world as intelligent material cause, He alone. Therefore, world is nothing but God. In the 4 statements, 14 years you have to study Shastra. Then you can explain happily, comfortably, convincingly. No one can deny. No one dare to deny. Once you explain logically, with the basis of the foundation of scriptures. So, நம்ம படிக்கணும், தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், நிறைய விஷயங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஏன் பண்ணுறோம், எதுக்கு பண்ணுறோம், அதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சாதான் நமக்கு ஆனந்தம். Adi next generations, our children also will practice, then you are happy. Okay? Madrupani anvaham yajet. One sloka. You don't find this in Bhagavad Gita also. Bhagavan didn't mention at all Panchamaha Yajnas name by name. Just we introduced that how to do now. Bhagavan clearly tells here. We will go to the next verse. How to do these Panchamaha Yajnas? How much rich I have to be? Bhagavan says no. It is not the richness question. Whatever you have with that, what type of money you should earn to perform all these Yajnas. He says, verse number 51. Yadrichopapannena Shuklenoparjitena vam Dhanena pidayan vrityan Nyayenaivaha Vikratu Nyayenaivaharet kratun Yenaivaharet kratun Kratun Nyayena aharet. May you perform. That means the grihastha has to perform. Kratun means Panchamaha Yajnas. Because all those Vaidika karmas, Yajna yagas are not relevant nowadays. According to days, the rituals also will change. One type of rituals they practice. But the spirit behind that is what? Worship. Worship Bhagavan in yaga, yajna form, or puja, or regular puja, even Panchamaha Yajnas. So that is, the idea is very important, attitude is very important, bhavana is very important. All the way you are growing, mature inside by doing all these things. It gives joy, relaxation to you. Last week I said, if we don't do that Pitru Yajnas and all, you get Pratyavaya Papam. Correct? And now modern people, they think Pratyavaya Papamavadu, Ipamavadu, enakku varadanu solluva, suppose. So we have to convince them, what do you mean by Pratyavaya Papam? That because of omission you get Papam. That goes generation, it gives problem. Sorry, you don't believe in Pratyavaya Papam. Let us, you don't believe. Why Shastra says it affects the next children? My own presentation, Man Ki Baat, okay, my own thinking is this. If you don't believe, we believe in Shastra. Whatever Shastra says, there must be something. It is giving for our good. Suppose you don't believe, I want to tell you, because you are a scientific person nowadays, rational thinking person, for you I will tell you how it affects. Suppose you live without Deva Yajna, Pitru Yajna, and Rishi Yajna, Bhuta Yajna, Manusha Yajna. You are not doing anything, suppose. And you are consuming for your sake only. There is a type of guilt will rise in the mind. I am not taking care of my parents. I am not looking after them. I am not doing service to anyone. I am not, because I am living for my own sake. I am not doing anything for my rishis. I am not doing anything for God who has given to me this body, society, everything to enjoy. I am not doing anything for God, offering. I am not offering to my ancestors, parents. I am not looking after my old parents also. I give one servant for them. And one nurse, one assistant. Because I have lot of money. Therefore, I am not taking care of my parents, other human beings, fellow beings who are staying nearby, neighbors also we do not know. Their faces also they do not end up. Apartments வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் எதிராத்துல யார் இருக்கா தெரியாது, பக்கத்துல யார் இருக்கான்னு தெரியாது. நோ மனுஷ யஜ்ஞா, பூத யஜ்ஞா காக்கா குருவி வரவே வராது. So this type of mindset, there is a lot of guilt inside. There is one sort of unhealthy attitude is growing inside. Unhealthy attitude, selfish attitude is always unhealthy attitude. Please remember, selfish attitude, selfish motive, only living for my own comfort, my own pleasure, that always is a selfish motive, is unhealthy mind. That unhealthy, his own unhealthy mind alone becomes a stressful mind, anxious mind. That mind alone is the killer of that person's health. Understand? With that, this person marry a girl and get children, what type of children will born? A selfish mind, a materialistic mind, full of seeking everything. Everyone should help me, everyone should live for me, everyone should give for me. இந்த மனசு பான்மையில அப்படிப்பட்ட மனசு அந்த பையனுக்கு வந்த குழந்தை எப்படி இருப்பான் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. That mind is an unhealthy mind, a stressful mind, anxious mind. This wife also like that. Suppose இவங்களுக்கு பிறந்த குழந்தை ஹெல்தியா இருக்க முடியுமா? இருக்க முடியாது. Impossible. Both are not having healthy attitude, healthy mindset. Impossible. To get a healthy child is very points are very less to have a healthy child, because parents, they do not have healthy attitude, healthy bhavana, daivika alochana. The child cannot be a healthy child. Either physical problems or mental problems or some problem or other will be there. This is my research paper. Okay, I go on this paper only. Where you have submitted, Swamini, don't ask me. I am submitting in front of you. You are the people who have to correct and put marks. Whether you put or not, I am not bothered about whether I pass or not. I am happy with this type of presentation. This is our Shastra says, don't be materialistic. Live for others' sake. Don't live for your sake. There you see the mind is so healthy, so happy. And that body and same partner, spouse also comes, and that couple can give birth to a healthy child. This is a scientifically I can guarantee, because I am a yoga teacher. I can say this much about this. No argument for this. That's why in our culture, wife and husband must, when they want children, they must have a divine thoughts, healthy thoughts, selfless thoughts. All the way, not one day or 2 days, all the way. All value-based life. They get such a gem-like child. Understand? சும்மா எனக்கு ஒரு பையன் பிறந்தா பொண்ணு பிறந்தா அப்படியெல்லாம் கிடையாது. ஒரு ஜம்மு பிறக்கணும், ஜம்மு மாதிரி இருக்கிற குழந்தை வேணும்ப்பான்னு எப்படி வரும்? புரியுறதா? அதுதான். That is our society. Actually, family system is that system here. Okay, now look into this. How one has to earn money, the grihastha, to perform Panchamaha Yajnas. You don't think about your family members, relatives and all. Okay, all this you keep in your mind. That's all. Don't worry about your family, people or relatives. அந்த வீட்டில் அப்படி நடந்தது, இந்த வீட்டில் இப்படி நடந்தது, அதெல்லாம் அப்புறம். ஓகே, இப்போ எல்லாம் டிஸ்கஷனுக்கான மனசில் வச்சுக்காதீங்க. யத்ருச்சயா உபபன்னேன. So the money you have to earn, kratun aharet nyayena, legitimately. Nyayena means in a moral form, ethical way, you have to perform all Panchamaha Yajnas. Suppose husband is doing Deva Yajna every day morning. He should not shout at his wife. Idu pannu, adu pannu, arrange pannu, ipdi pannu, apdi pannu. It says, apidayan vrityan. Without hurting others, you have to do Panchamaha Yajnas. In the name of performance of Panchamaha Yajnas, every day shouting at children, shouting at wife, and servants also, Vrityan, taking more work from them and paying very less for them. That is also that money if I have with me, without paying to others, taking more work from my servants, drivers, and giving very less. Adi maha papam. That money which is with me, and I do that kratus with that money, phalam won't come. That's why Lord Krishna says, Nyayena kratun aharet. With that money which you have earned, yadrichaya, it comes by chance, luck. You get some time money. With that money you perform. Or upapannenava, or by earning, getting money, by working hard, you can do Panchamaha Yajnas. Shuklena uparjitena. Shuklena means white money, not black money. White money, never earned in unrighteous way. Always give more to others. We do not know how much he has worked or not. Extra always give. Doesn't matter. Nothing wrong. If you give less, papam varma. That's why nowadays why people are suffering maximum, because they are not giving to others effort, hard work. Suppose if I don't give, I am accumulating papam. That papam comes in another way and gives me pain. Vyadhi rupena, manasika vyadhi rupena va, shariraka vyadhi rupena va. It comes and hurt the person. Those days people, our ancestors, they always, appa, unoda panam enakku etta vendappa. Or scorpion irukra maadhiri paakanum adu. Anyone's money, book, dresses, or any porul which belongs to others, it should not be with me. They are very, very particular. இப்போ என்னன்னா வச்சுக்கிறது ரொம்ப காமனாக போயிடுச்சு. Others books, others things, others everything. What belongs to others, very casually we keep with ours, with ourselves. But our people, they consider it as a big crime. Cheating means you need not go and cheat directly, stealing things. This is also comes under stealing only. Even brothers, one's own brothers' property, money, things also. sisters or father, mother. No. Runanubandha rupena pasu patni suta alaya. Rinakshaye kshayam yamti tatraka paridevanana. Rinam irukave koodadhu. Adukku dhaan nama periyavanga ellame always their hand is giving hand. They never keep the hand down. They never take, but they always give. Ippella taking hand ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು, giving hand ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯ್ತು. I will tell you why I keep Gurudakshina box also, not for money sake I keep. This giving attitude which is good for our own health, our own mind, we keep. Whether you give 10 rupees or 100 rupees, it doesn't matter, but give. Whether if you don't give here, you give somewhere in the temple. That's why Dana Patram they keep in every temple. Why? You know? Balaji ki enna korai? Tirupati Balaji ki kodi kanakla irukku avarku. Yen kottradhu panam anna, yen hundi vekkanum. Ini podum Balaji ku vekkala ella temples and the hundi irukkum. What for, you know? For our health sake only. They keep hundi. You offer, you give there. Then your mind becomes so relaxed. These are all just like that, you cannot gloss over. Nothing should be taken freely. That is our ancestors' idea. How much you are giving is not the question, but don't take anything freely. Anywhere. நமக்கு எல்லாமே ஃப்ரீ అని சொன்னா போதும், ஓடி ஓடி போய் பிடிச்சிடும். ஃப்ரீன்னா ஒன்று தான் எடுக்கணும், இல்லை 10 எடுத்துட்டு பார்க்கணும். Like that, one person told me, Bhagavad Gita they are giving to everyone. இந்த கோரக்பூர் புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் வெரி சீப். அது வாங்கிறதுக்கே பைசா இல்லை நிறைய பேர்கிட்ட. பைசா இல்லாமலே இல்லை, அந்த வேல்யூ தெரியல, அந்த புக்கோட வேல்யூ. Bhagavad Gita available freely, all of you can take. Without listening to the lecture, first people went to take Bhagavad Gita books and grabbing everybody idla 10 inga 10 vechinde odran. What on the other hand they should say, we don't want to take freely. I can give 2 rupees, I can give 10 rupees, I can give 100 rupees. Give something. Or you can give 50 paise, but don't take free. That is the mindset we need. All the way you are only going to mature. With your money, we are not going to construct a bungalows, palace, swargama kandu porom. ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. அது நமக்கு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி, அந்த hundi வந்து நமக்கு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி பகவான் கொடுக்குறாரு. Make use of that opportunity. In every temple hundi is there. In every ashrama they keep hundi. Every satsanga they keep hundi. அவங்கள ஏதோ பிச்சை கேட்குற மாதிரி நம்ம நினச்சிக்க கூடாது. அந்த ஹுண்டி பாத்திரம் எனக்கு ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொடுக்கறதுன்னு நினைக்கணும். See the thinking pattern, how it changes. கோயிலுக்கு போனால் 10 பைசா, எங்கே போனாலும் 10 பைசா கொடுப்போம். அதே பாண்டி பஜாருக்கு போய் ஷாப்பிங்கு போனேன். ஒரு ஹரிக்கதை பாகவதார் சொல்லுவார். ஹரிக்கதை முடிக்கும் போது எல்லாரும் இந்த தட்டை எடுத்து கொண்டு வருவான் தட்சிணை போடுறதுக்கு. செத்தம் வராமலே போடுங்கன்னு சொல்லுவார் அவர். இன் தெலுங்கு டங்கு டங்குன்னு செத்தம் வரக்கூடாது. செத்தம் வராமலே போடுங்கன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? 10 பைசா 50 NP 1 ரூபி காயின் போடாதுங்க, இல்லை ரூபி நோட்ஸாக போடுங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். ஆரத்தி அணி வச்சாலே இப்படி தான் போடுவான் எல்லாருமே, டங் 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 டங். கொடுக்கறதுக்கு மனசு வராது. ஸ்ரத்தையா தேயம், ஹ்ரியா தேயம், தியா தேயம், சம்விதா தேயம். தைத்திரிய உபனிஷத் வைசா. Therefore, that is called white money. You earn righteously and spend. Shlo Shuklena Uparjitena. That money which you have earned in a righteous way, ethical manner, without cheating anyone, without taking more work from others, without paying that person conjusive person ன்னு சொல்லுவான். கஞ்சத்தனமா தமிழில் சொல்ல ரொம்ப கையை வராது அவனுக்கு, என்னமோ நான் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு மனசே வராது. யாரும் கொடுத்தாலும் 10 வாட்டி சொல்லுவான், எனக்கு கொடுத்தாச்சேன்னு. அந்த மாதிரி கன்ஜூசிவ் பர்சன். லோபின்னு சொல்லுவான், லோபி, greedy person. That's why Bhagavan has given everything for human beings necessary. What are all needs? For all of our needs Bhagavan has provided, but Bhagavan also cannot provide for our greed. Greedy person can never be satisfied. The second line you see, dhanena apīdayanna bhrityan. Dhanena means shuklena dhanena, uparjitena dhanena, nyayena uparjitena dhanena, yadrichaya dhanena, upapannena dhanena. From parents it comes, suppose. From great parents, grandparents it comes. Make use of that for dharma karyams and for your sake also. And dhanam is always how to handle that dhanam. Dharmam is there properly, righteous way of life, that dhanam will bless that person. Otherwise that dhanam itself become it gives a lot of problems for him if dharma is not. There is one nice sloka, funny sloka, I will tell you. Uttama swarjitam vittam. What is the best money? Uttamam dhanam is swarjitam, kashtarjitam. Na kashtapatti sampadicchi seethu vekkirathu uttamam swarjitam dhanam. That is the best money which I can keep with me. I can feel proud of that. Swarjitam dhanam, uttamam dhanam, madhyamam pitrarjitam. Mediocre wealth, what you have, pitrarjitam. My father earned a lot, plot, flat, lands, so many things he has given. Madhyamam, pitrarjitam, madhyamam dhanam. Even that comes also, I don't want to use. I want to offer for a temple or a school or a hospital or something else. I don't want. Because Bhagavan has given me hands, legs. Why I have to take my father's money? If at all he gives with love, I can make use of that for others' sake. That type of mindset is required. So my father also feel happy somewhere. Because I don't have, even I am a daughter, I am a son with my father, therefore I have right. Who said it? Court says it. Court Veda doesn't accept. Vedanda namakku court, Veda the law and order namakku. In the local court and all, we don't, our court is only Veda. Madhyamam pitrarjitam, adhamam bhartru vittancha. If a brother is earning money and I give, one person tells, married, one son, one daughter, and he is not able to withstand any job. And I ask, how you are surviving? My brother is helping Swami. You are already engineer, that boy. He is an engineer and taking from brother's money, from brother. You should feel ashamed, no? Taking from brother, how can you take? Brother is so good. He is so good. Soft person is helping. But you are also educated. You are having legs, hands, eyes, everything. You are not a handicapped person. My brother is helping. This type of thinking, but he is not happy, you see. Even brother is helping, he is not happy. Eppudu varum? நீ கஷ்டப்பட்டு சம்பாதிச்சாது ஆனந்தம். ஒரு வேளை சாப்பிட்டாலும் அந்த சோறு போதும், ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கும், நல்லா தூக்கம் வரும். இப்போ இது தூக்கமே வராது. அண்ணா பணம் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன், அண்ணா பணம் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன், என்ன தூக்கம் வரும்? வராது. Somebody's money never gives me happiness. புரியுறதா? நம்ம கஷ்டப்படி சம்பாதிச்சின பணம் நம்ம கிட்ட இருக்கும்போது வர திருப்தி, ஆனந்தம், அதில் ஈக்குவலாக எதுவுமே கிடையாது. How much we are having is not the question. That is called what? Look into that sloka. Dhanena apīdayan vrityan without giving pain. Sorry, this one, adhamam bhratra vittancha. Whatever what adhamadhamam, stri vittam adhamadhamam. Money comes, he gets from wife. Stri vittam. From wife, this person gets lot of property. Adhamadhamam. The most adhamadhamam, the translation veduma? Venda. Okay. Uttamam, madhyamam, adhamam, adhamadhamam. We should not. Let it be there. If they give because of their love and affection, they give. But I want to depend upon my own money. That money I will spend as a trustee. I spend that money to the society for dharma karyams. There are so many dharma karyams we can do in the society. Nariye irukka pandradhukku. Nariye schools are waiting, gurukulams are waiting, Veda Pathashalas are waiting, hospitals are waiting for our service. We can do. Nalla manchi pustakam vaangi 10 பேர் கொடுக்கலாம். பகவத்கீதை வாங்கி கொடுக்கலாம், ஸ்தோத்திரமாலை வாங்கி கொடுக்கலாம். என்ன நல்ல விஷயங்கள் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஒரு பகவான் ஃபோட்டோ கொடுக்கலாம் 10 பேருக்கு. எத்தனவோ இருக்க பண்ணுறதுக்கு யோசிச்சேன். ஓகே, யூ திங்க் யூ கேன் டூ தட். Now we go to the next verse. So that way you have to do Panchamahayagnas with that money which you have earned righteously. White money. That's why don't take from anyone. Who knows what wrong ways they have earned money? How do we know? Suppose it comes to us, we have to do every day Gayatri extra. Gayatri mantras are japam sam nama Bhagavan nama sonna yaru papam money saaptano theriyadu. Adala Bhagavane idella cultify pannu. Remove from that papam. Adukku da puja. Daily Daiva Puja edukku theriyumo. We do not know from which corner wrong things are coming and we are accumulating and eating and we are enjoying. We do not know. That papa should not come to us. Sin should not come to us. If this attitude is there, person can lead a life, peaceful life. Adha your bhavana, sadbhavana, sadgunaha, sadkarmani, all the way. It takes you to the heights of that peaceful, secure life. Okay, next 52, page number 183. Now he is going to give warning. The following slokas, every day, every kutumbi. Kutumbi anna, yarik kudumi irukumo or kudumbi anna. The householder nartham. Okay. Kutumbeshu na sajjeta na pramadyet kutumbyapi vipachinnashvaram pashyet adrishtamapi drishtavat. From this sloka onwards, 52 to 53, 54, 55, 4-5 slokas, guidelines for every grihastha. Every day one has to do Parayanam this and follow. What? Kutumbeshu na sajjeta. Don't forget that your prime duty, that what for you have come. Once you have got married, never lose sight of your goal of life. Na sajjeta kutumbeshu. With the people in the family, never have an attachment with them. Why? Na pramadyeta. May you not negligent or complacent. Be alert. Be vigilant. What is your prime duty as a grihastha? Every relation is a holy relation when holy and pavitram. When it is pavitram, that any bandha, any relation, when you grow in that relation, father relation, mother relation, brother relation, sister or husband or children, any relation you have, and you grow in that and mature, come out of that. You learn a lesson and come out of that. Grow gracefully. That is a healthy relation. If you hooked on to that every relation, it is not good for your spiritual growth, mental health also. Krishna giving warning. You don't get this type of shlokas in Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita high Vedanta, that is very solid Tattvamasi. இதெல்லாமே அந்த தத்துவமசி புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு இது. அப்புறம் சுவாமி இது முன்னாடி சொல்லியிருக்கணுமே. இதெல்லாமே ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் ஃபார் தட் பகவத்கீதா ஞான மோக்ஷ கிரந்தா. தட் இஸ் திஸ் இஸ் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன். வித்தவுட் திஸ் உத்தவ கீதா, Bhagavad Gita cannot be grasped. Can be grasped because we have given Tattva Bodha, we have given so many other Prakarana Granthas also. But you see, the Bhagavan tells, may you never have an attachment with your family members. You can be in the family, but family should not be in you. Boat can be in water, water should not be in boat. Okay? What happens? Water comes in the boat now. Now sinking now, that's all. நம்ம கூட அப்படிதான், நமக்குள்ள வந்துடும். But you have to be in the family. Family should not be in you. இது எப்படி சுவாமி, இது வெறும் புதுசாக இருக்க ஃபார்முலான்னா? புதுசு இல்லை. Once you, their family is in you, there is a tension, anxiety, worry, guilt, hurt, all will be there. That is the sign of that family is in you. If you are in family, you are relaxed, you are calm, you are balanced, you are happy person. That is the indication. He says, Kutumbi na pramadyeta, should not lose sight of that I am an individual first, then only I am a husband or wife or son or daughter. Don't forget your individual duties that you have to complete. Na pramadyeta, never become complacent or lack of alertness. There should not be any lack of alertness. Be alert. Kutumbyapi, even kutumbi also. Even you are in kutumba, you have to be very alert. Why? Vipaschit viveki, wise householder should know Nashvaram Pashyet, everything is Nashvaram, temporary. Every relation is temporary. They have come in time, they go in time. Either physically they go away from us, or temporarily they be away from us. Permanently sometime they are away, temporarily they are away from us. They are Nashvaram Pashyet Viveki Vipaschit Adrishtamapi Drishtavat. Drishtavat means the dhanam, money what you earn, it is also Nashvaram. It is not permanent. Most chanchalam thing is Lakshmi. Lakshmi chanchalyama. ஒரு இடத்துல இருக்காது பாருங்க. She won't stay one time. But Saraswati is so steady. She won't go. Once you get knowledge, it won't go from us. பணம் வந்த பாருங்க, பர்ஸ் ஃபுல் இன்னைக்கு, சேலரி வந்து ஃபுல்லு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஒரு 1 வீக்குள்ள அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு போயிட்டே இருக்கணும் வெளியில். அதுதான் அந்த அம்மாவோட நேச்சர், லக்ஷ்மிக்கு சாஞ்சல்யம். ஸோ தேர் ஃபோர் ஹோல்ட் ஆன் டு ஸ்டடி சரஸ்வதி. லக்ஷ்மி ஆல்சோ வந்து போயின்னு இருக்கும். நஸ்வரம் டெம்பரரி. Drishtavat means like dhanam, even adrishtam api, even punya you acquire, a lot of punya you acquire, that is also one day it will exhaust. Rina anubandha rupena. Just like travelers, they come into the train, stay some time, and you talk and take their address, WhatsApp, everything, email address, everything. Their station comes, they get down. How much time that relation? Over. Like that, our travel life like that, this life also, Jiva Yatra is also like that only. All relations are like temporary fellow travelers. Adrishtamapi, even Punyam also, you go to Swarga and you exhaust, after some time you come back. Don't think Punyam is permanent. Okay? Punyam is also another type of cash currency. After exhausting currency, that Punyam, you have to come back. Kuvam karayinile. You have to come back. Next verse. Putradara prabandhunam sangamah pantha sangamah anudeham viyantyete swapno nidranugo yatha. Worth remembering verses, worth Parayanam verses every day. He says, Sangamaha, any relation with any sadhus also, even Guru Sishya relation, any relation anywhere with sadhus, Sangamaha, Sajjana Sangamaha, and Putra Sangamaha, relation with our own son. You can take first Dara, wife or husband, relation with husband or wife, one-to-one spouse relation, Putra, relation with the son, then Apta, relation with the relatives, close, nearby, very, very Apta Bandhus. Dearest, dear and near, with wedding card near and dear. Near pota pohadu, dear also. Dear pota pohadu, near also. Near and dear. Both Sangamaha, Pantha Sangamaha. This association is only like a journey. Pantha means travel. It is just like a travel. You are traveling sometime, few decades. Wife and husband, they travel few decades together. And mother, son, daughter travel for few decades. Father, son, mother, children, all, any relation travel, Pantha Sangamaha. It is just like a travel association. Anudeham viyantyete. All these relations, brother relation, father relation, husband relation, mother relation, daughter relation, all relation, ete viyantyeva. They will go as the bodies they leave. Anudeham means when the body they leave, according to Mandukya Upanishad, it is called Asparsha Yoga. That Anudeham, the moment body goes away, all relations gone. That's why mother gives birth to only physical body, not to Sushma Sariram, not to causal body, not to Chidabhasa, not to Punya Papa Karma of that Jiva. Outer shell only mother provides. You don't claim that he is my son, my daughter. You are individual. Don't claim that he is yours. Just like Yatha Nidranugo Swapnaha. Once you go to sleep, sometimes in the class also, 11 o'clock class is very ideal for sleep. I am not telling you are sleeping, but sleep comes, suppose. In night we are sleeping. Nidranugaha swapna. The moment you go to sleep, dream comes. The dream comes, the dreamer sees so many things in the dream. All those relations in the dream, are they real? How much real they are? There are so many people in the dream, yesterday you saw, and you are talking with them, they are talking with you. Are they really related to you? Same, these relations also. Care of Mandukya. There is no difference at all. Nidranugo swapnaha yatha Tadvat Panta Sangamaha. All these relations are also just temporary. Please remember every Kutumbi. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.